Hello, lovely bakers! Today, we are diving into a delightful baking adventure. Making something small, mini, but bursting with flavor. Mini marble butter cakes. So, grab your aprons, preheat those ovens, and let's get baking. First thing first, let's gather our ingredients. 100 gram butter, 15 gram melted chocolate, 100 gram icing sugar, chocolate mix, and vanilla mix. Let's get started with the dry ingredients. Chocolate mix 35 gram cake flour, 15 gram cocoa powder, and 1/3 teaspoon baking powder. Vanilla mix 15 gram cake flour and 1/3 tablespoon baking powder. Melted 15 gram chocolate and 100 gram icing sugar. Last but not least, half teaspoon vanilla paste. I love this Queen organic vanilla paste. Now in a large bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. Adjust the mixer from low speed to medium speed. Then add in the egg one at a time, ensuring each is well incorporated. Beat it until fluffy and light. In a separate bowl, whisk together the mix. Half the batter into a chocolate mix and another half the batter into the vanilla mix. Mix your vanilla essence into this mix. Now comes the fun part. Spoon dollops of each batter alternatively into your mini cupcake mold. Swirl them gently with a toothpick or skewer to create a gorgeous marble effect. Don't overmix. We want those lovely swirls around all this mini marble butter cake. Simply love all this marble effect. Then pop this into the preheated oven at 170 Celsius to bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once they are out of the oven, let them cool for a bit in the pan or before transferring to a wire rack. These mini marbles are delicious as is. Let's cut it and see inside there. Can you hear how crusty is the crust? Super crusty. And now the best part, the taste. Moist, buttery, and with the delightful swirl of chocolate. And yes, it's a real chocolate, not only the cocoa powder. These mini marble butter cakes are a bite-sized piece of heaven. Here you go, I re-summarize this mini marble cake recipe. Thank you for joining me on this baking journey. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more sweet adventures. Until next time, happy baking!